Are you looking for the best electric hydraulic crimping tool 2025? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best electric hydraulic crimping tool on the market. Before we get started with our video, click in the description link to buy good quality products. Number 1. Swansoft Electric Hydraulic Crimping Tool. 2x4Ah large capacity battery, 18V/4Ah, a plus lithium battery *2. The Crimper tool electrical is equipped with an adapter charger, as well as high-definition LED lighting and display system, real-time monitoring of counts, temperature, and power. No need to worry about dim environment or low power affecting work. 1.2-ton hydraulic capacity supports continuous crimping, no need to return to the original position. 630W high-power copper core cable lug crimping tool, maximum output force of 12 ton, pressure of 70 MPa, can complete the crimping task in 8 to 10 seconds, saving time and effort. Crimping times can reach 30,000 times. High-efficiency heat dissipation ventilation slots are designed under the host, fast heat dissipation, avoid burning the motor. 1.2 PCS standard American DIS. The cable crimper supports the head to rotate 360 degrees. With fine German-style cylinder, oil storage of 166 milliliters, parts clearance less than 0.0005 mm, double-layer thick fluororubber seals, wear-resistant and oil-resistant, providing a full set of 12 high-strength alloy dies, American standard 6 AWG to 800 MCM. Number 2. Hella Vivify Ton Electric Hydraulic Crimping Tool. High energy efficiency and durability, features a pure copper coil motor for smooth operation and minimal energy consumption. Built-in temperature sensors and ventilation slots ensure reliable performance, efficient heat dissipation, and reduced noise levels, making it perfect for extended use. Real-time digital display and LED lighting. The integrated digital display provides real-time updates on battery power and crimping pressure. Equipped with LED lights, this crimping tool is ideal for use in low-light conditions, including nighttime, indoor spaces, foggy weather, or rainy days. Comprehensive tool kit includes 11 crimping dies, 16 to 400 SQmm, 2 powerful 5.0Ah batteries, a charger, a shoulder strap, a sealing ring, and a robust carrying case for organized storage. Everything you need for professional-grade crimping in one package. Fast continuous crimping. Capable of delivering up to 30,000 crimps, with each crimp taking only 4 to 6 seconds. The 360 degrees swivel jaws make it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, perfect for tasks like cable installation or underfloor heating systems. Ergonomic and user-friendly design. The labor-saving design reduces work fatigue, while the one-touch reset function allows for effortless, one-handed operation, boosting efficiency and productivity on the job. Number 3. Hewley Hydraulic Crimping Tool. 2025 newest. The Crimper set contains electro-hydraulic crimping machine *1, die set *12, 18V 5.0 a lithium battery *2, universal charger *1, storage box *1, sealing ring *1, instructions *1. 100% copper motor. The electrical wire cable crimper boasts an all-copper brushless motor, providing a maximum 60 knots crimping force. It offers quick and continuous crimping in 3 to 6 seconds, reliable connections of copper and aluminum cables to terminals. 1.2 dies set. The cable lug crimper contains 12 widely used dies, 10, 16, 25, 35, 50, 70, 95, 120, 150, 185, 240, 300 for US standard 8 AWG to 600 MCM, with complete die matching examples in the instruction manual. Upgraded battery set. The upgraded battery terminal crimper uses 18V 5.0 Li-ion battery *2 packs, which can be used for 300 times with a single full charge. The OLED display can indicate the power and number of times to be used. Safe to use. This battery-powered ProPress tool features a temperature sensor and ventilation slots for heat dissipation, ensuring machine safety. With 360 degrees swiveling jaws and LED lights, it adapts to complex environments and low-light conditions. Automatic pressure release and retraction after crimping to ensure safety. Number 4. Katilei Electric Hydraulic Crimping Tool. Work efficiency and strong drive. Of the crimping range is 10-300 mm superscript 2, driven by a pure copper coil, making the machine run more smoothly. It is equipped with a high-capacity battery, providing long running time and extended battery life. Comprehensive crimping configuration. It includes a smart charger, 2 batteries, user manual and maintenance materials, and 12 dies: 10, 16, 25, 35, 50, 70, 95, 120, 150, 185, 240, 300, 400 mm Superscript 2. Easy to operate. It features an intelligent display screen that can show the usage times, battery level, and temperature. The arm is designed with ergonomic principles to enhance the user's grip. The head can rotate 350 degrees, enabling tight crimping and flexible operation. Number 5. MMNZE Hydraulic Cable Lug Crimper. Continuous crimp available. Fast crimping, strong, powerful. It can finish the cable crimping in 4-8s. It can complete 20,000 crimping, ultra-long life guarantee. High efficiency, features a pure copper coil motor powered by hydraulic pump, and the motor runs more smoothly to achieve the minimum power consumption. Ensure higher reliability of hydraulic crimper, lower noise. Built-in temperature sensor, crimper body with ventilation slots for high-efficient heat dissipation. Easy to use, built-in intelligent chip control, so that your operation is more worry-free. Ergonomically designed handle is comfortable to use. The lower part of the handle has a digital display, which can directly show the remaining power and pressure. The crimper is equipped with an LED light for easy operation at night or when the light is low. Fully configured, comes standard with thickened plastic case, solid and crash-proof. Includes manual, certificate of conformity, sealing ring, charger, shoulder strap, batteries *2, electric crimping pliers, 11 dies, 16, 25, 35, 50, 70, 95, 120, 150, 185, 240, 300 mm Superscript 2. 1-year warranty, quality assurance. Each tool has gone through multiple checks. Within 1 year of purchase. If there are any questions, please feel free to contact us. Please purchase with confidence.